gentlemen, who's ready for some science this morning?
Well, this was an amazing event to be able to partner with not just Ohiodnr, but several state agencies to do what? Well, to inspire the next generation around H2Ohio. And we have a term we use called cosify. We like to cosify things, and when we do that, we're directly connecting them around science, but we're doing it where they are, where we meet them where they are, where they live, where they learn, and where they lounge.
Who here is ready to do something fun and do a fun science experiment? All right, now you're comfortable.
If you learn about something when you're young and you understand that you need to take care of it, you will grow up understanding the value of water and how to take care of it and how to value it. So if you can start educating the youth now, they will become our great protectors in the future.
We have to tell our story about clean water every day. I tell the agricultural community, we have to tell our story about agriculture. Water matters to agriculture, and telling the next generation, what a tremendous opportunity. They grow up and they will continue to prioritize clean water, safe water, and in the agricultural community so we can grow food for the state of Ohio and all across the country.
Ohio EPA is focused on three things. Infrastructure, so making sure that the drinking water treatment plants and wastewater plants are able to function, making sure that lead service lines are removed so that we are getting lead pipes out of the state of Ohio, and then failing home septic systems, right? Because every community in Ohio needs something on the infrastructure sides.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It was fun for me, so I think it was fun for the kids too. They seem to have a good time, and it's all about getting their attention to understand how important water is. At Ohiodnr, we've been involved in looking at natural infrastructure. How do we use wetlands? How do we use something natural to clean up the water? We have over 140 wetland projects that are out there being built right now. Our science shows that that should reduce phosphorus and other nutrients that would go into our waterways that create those ugly, toxic algae blooms. And we think this is working. We have scientists around the state evaluating what we do. So I'm seeing a lot of progress now. I think the years ahead will really show the fruits of that labor, but we hope to do a lot more of it.